Hi, John from OCAM here. Today we're going to be installing Weathershields on a VZ Commodore. These Weathershields are also suited for the VT right up until the VZ Commodores. They all have the same door profile. So first of all, when you get your visors, take them out of the packaging. Lay them out. Just make sure that you've got all four pieces together. Once you've taken them out, grab the Weathershield to begin with, and we'll give it a dry run first, just so we know where we're going to be installing it and how we're going to be applying it. So as you can see, it's running across the profile of the door. On the end where the mirror plate is, there is a raised edge there that goes over the mirror plate. So once we've established where we're going to be putting the Weathershield, we're happy with that. Just get a rag or something like that and just give it a really good clean, just to take all the dirt, grime and any residue that may be on there. As you can see, there's plenty on there, so a good clean will do it a world of good. The next step before applying the Weathershield is to heat the tape that's on the back of it, just to ensure that it really does stick to the door frame. Now I'm going to be using a heat gun, but if you don't have a heat gun, you can also use a hairdryer. So once we've warmed it up, remove the backing off the tape. Bring the Weathershield to the vehicle, and just like before, once you've put it on and you're happy with the way it is, just apply some pressure onto the taped area. Just like so. Okay, so once you've completed the front, time to do the rears. Same principle. Get your rear visor. Give it a dry run first, just to ensure that you're happy with where it's going to sit. Now with these ones, you come hard up against the pillar, so the tape sticks onto the rubber piece there, not onto the actual window. So happy with where it's going to sit there. Next step is always clean all the residue and dirt off. Okay, so once we've done that, we get our heat gun or hairdryer again, and we'll heat up the back of the Weathershield. again, remove the backing of the tape. Once you've done that, happy for it sitting. Once again, apply pressure to the taped area. And there you have it. Once you've completed that, next step will be to follow the same process on the other side. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.